Tongthok Christmas ni salhorgei kerichuya tiprasang ni bisingo kombol khoboi juda nangmani manekhni bakjaka sangrongsono tilemura bhagstini mongya kami blog ni 18 mura edc village ni bilaikhang kamiwo asani pandaklaijaka bubagra khor aguni auxilium girls rengnok ni bkhaktai pandaw manjaka superior sister Miss Mary Stila rengnok ni principal sister Alvira khoboi mongya kami blog ni vice chairman Vikas Debarma akhosang asalo khungburi sinno khungo kombol bakjaka pandaw koksana thangai auxilium girls rengnok ni principal sister Alvira Saka omo haike kri rengnok kombol mabagma bai beleno khatong thokjaka Borokari bo koksana thangai blog ni vice chairman Vikas Debarma Saka masingmulok kesangma yakni yokna bagai tipra serokni thani kri kumung sakono jomjangnai rirok hani bugino omo hayapri naharjama bai khaka hambo yafarka
সাতদিনে ওর যে লোয়াজি যা কমল বাগবানি সাবনি উদ্যোগী একেবারে সাব শুভমুক্তি
হ্যাপি ক্রিসমাস মেরি ক্রিসমাস হ্যাপি নিউ ইয়ার অ্যাডভান্স তিনি 18 মুরানি বিলাইকাং কামিও তিনি যারা রি সুম্মায়া চিনি বড়রক গরৈ বিগ্রা বড়রকনো কিচারি বাংনা হनै তিনি Agartala auxilium ni sister song hayoi o bilaigang kamiwo kombol plus jejeri tongmani kamchului pen bibhinno kri bangna bagai jemu jaga hajak gai buskango mutai hai samungno joto takhurongno chini jara cholimaya borok bigra khanga borokno jotono mutai haikai jotono yak barogoi jotono help khane bagai ang joton thani koi jaw hambai
khabai kubai hamjakma te chiba yafaro jung norokni kamio bilekang kami hini khanawoi jung khatung khajakhai thulai malaya norno malainani bagai khatangmani kaisa bu khatongo ka hamjakma o khatangma omo boroni phaikya omokai chini subra jisu kristo achaimani abono ruginai Christmas ni sal khana salcha tongai yangnai Jisu Kristo achaimani sal o achaimani salno sung bisi burung no abo haikai kami rogo thanglaioi rirok tai je mansak jeng sini ya phawat tamtong abono sung baklayo ge jeng sabo tau baksa sinia bong tongkhana nor to jotono Bilaikang kamini borok ni sung Simon Kha Jungkha Salesian Cooperators Tai Auxilium Girls School hunai nor kada khnaka Agartala ba aguli kamiwo ngai o Auxilium School Tai Salesian Cooperators rok unginai tai omo haikai chini taku okra oro tongo chini taku okra Vikas Debarma bobo chini kaitoni chongjak borok omo haike na chung thansangoi omo hai ribak lainani bagai norongoro sopaika sing tabuk chini buskango tango chini sister joton sai sister kotor chini auxilium nita o Agartala auxilium ni bini bumungka sister Mary Stella Ringclaim hadi bini chetona bai bini omo hai contact khama bai no chung tini oro sopaika bini bagai yafa khorob laine phadi bokai sister superior bini pore tongo sini sister principal auxilium school ni principal bobo khatung khajakhai chini logi phaisok paikama hai program of phai manjak phainani bagai bini bumungkha sister Albrida Pink Group phadibona yafa khorob lainai angkai tai Salesian Cooperators ninginai ang bo khoroksa tongo tai sini da kotor da sibanando angkai tai bachai fulmalati angkai tai sini taku okra Vikas Debarma bor sopaijak tai sini logi malkhungcha loknai da pongkos yang phegri chung jotono bong bagi bo ya khorob lainai sing tabu ochrai khorongni tongo borokbo Salesian Cooperator ungnai salsa ke taubo Salesian Cooperator ya kho ngai buma bu phasongno srunggai ri bagnani tabun simi changlai khaborok Allah ke borok tor kakai oma haike no samung tangnani borok tabung cimi ceng laika. Eke paripang bagi boya po korop lain. Paripo ya kaini kaini.
See, our hands are straight. We can stretch out to others like this.
Sisa samani kai dari cini ya keplengnya da. Haiken sung ya po polongnya da. Abo haiken bobo ya po polongna payo.
What if God makes a hand like this?
Judi kai tor ya kokoi kere kangkai bahing bai kamu.
We will not be able to stretch out to others, is it not?
Sung ya kolok kai polomakla kai na ble.
God made us the way that we should be able to reach out to others. So we are here. This is not our clothes. We are sharing. Others are brought, children brought, family brought, and we contributed. So we are here together to share with you what we have.
Cini ya pa kokoi mokoi rong kakai de sung poloma laglak ble. Haina bla. Kintu cini to jotono kai tor sunos nam ka ya kepleng kena jotono ya kaham kena. Apuni bagin sung ya polok mano. Go ya polok man inka joto borok ni jetona bai joto borok ni hamzak ma cinoro tungna cinoro je manjak nai te kabang borok manje ya botongo. Borok bo oma haken thum rogiri rok singno khati rohka. Borok bo hamari manani bayu pujuk to tamni ka kai borok kripano borok sungno chuba kha. Tamni ke borok bo ya kepleng hakena ya pologoi chinor kha.
In auxilium, everyone brings clothes for the poor, for those who are underprivileged, those are most needed of our help. So they call it Smile Bringing Project.
Auxilium school bisi burung no joto chrai khonai ro boma buha song omo hakena ri thumu rogoi school thonu payo.
So
Aba
that's
haike
why,
borok ri ono joto jagana borok runani chengo.
so we are here today to bring smile to you with the little that we have. So we thank God for having brought us to this place. We would love to go down to the village, but I don't think it's possible. Next time we will come, we'll go down to the village from early dawn. We'll come here and we'll go down to meet you and your families.
Auxilium school kaise smile project tongo. Smile project bane munima haita. Eka aba haikeno munima haikena muniwe jotono na chubau. Engka kai omo haike borok bisi burung no omo hai samung khlalayo. Engka auxilium ni jetonai sister song borok samani kai borok tebo tolorogo kami bising rogo thanamu chungo. Haipono jora bujuoi norbai khapilayoi obo borok je jagao khlaiman arun.
But we know that you are here, that's why we came. So we thank the policemen here, the leaders who come here, brother, and the Salesian cooperators under the leadership of these two, brother Rajulal. He take us far away because we know that we are here. God loves us, God loves you also, okay? And God bless you. We don't have much, the little that we have, we share with you all.